Today is an espresso kind of morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a day in the kitchen. You could say I'm going to be cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and bringing some new items to our kitchen that I'm really excited about. Today's video is sponsored by our place, but I cannot wait to show you guys the pieces that I got from them because I'm in awe. So first and foremost, let's show you my kitchen. By the way, I think I have to water the plants today as well, so add that to the list. But you guys, this is the most dramatic plant ever. 10 out of 10, don't recommend, okay? I think Eric watered it already in the morning, but let's give her a little bit more. You literally have to water this plant every other day or she'll get like this because she's clearly acting like I don't water her, which I do. So I'm finally going to share everything I got, which is a lot. I'm so excited to share everything and like just start using everything because we actually use the kitchen a lot, especially Eric. I have to say Eric is the cook in the house. I like cooking here and there, but he just prefers it. I feel like for him it's more of a passion than mine, and it's also like his therapeutic session in a way, so I just let him do it. You know, I'm not gonna fight it. Anyways, I'm really excited to share all of these pieces with you guys that I selected because first and foremost, the best selection when it comes to colors and just style overall. I think they're so aesthetically pleasing, and the actual product and pan is truly the best in my opinion. I got my first one in my old studio apartment, if you guys remember, and that was like 3-4 years ago. And this time around, I believe we got the black one. I originally had the tan one, which I absolutely loved that color. I still love it till right now. I think we probably got that same color. Oh no, I think we got the black one this collection. I am so obsessed with this clear lid because the other one is actually completely covered. Let me actually show it to you. This is my old lid, as you can tell, pretty intact after these 4 years. The pan brings this sponge that you can use to clean it with, and it's safe for the actual pan. And then it also brings this little spoon. Fun fact, their packaging is biodegradable, which is amazing, and everything is recycled and sustainable material, which we love for Mother Earth. Oh my god, this is new from our place to yours. All right, let me show you the pan. Wow, this one Eric can actually put inside of the oven and not ruin it. But the great thing about the Always pan, obviously, like the name, you can literally do everything inside of this pan. Like you can cook rice, you can cook chicken, you can cook beans, soup, whatever. They also have a pot, which I really wanted to get, but then Eric said that we don't have space, which we don't. I totally forgot which one exactly I got, but I got the 8-in-1 cast iron. And then this one brings the little grips. Love that. And also, like I mentioned, the wooden spoon, which is actually really cool because you can put it here, like you can rest it there and it has a little home. All right, let's unbox these. This is the cutting board. All right, we have some more plates. Love that for us. Let me actually show you guys. Again, I have plates and bowls and also cups from about 4 years ago, and they are still #1 intact. These are my favorite plates ever, and every single time I post them on social media, everyone asks where they're from. I feel like they're the best plates. The quality, the look, I love the little like rim border of it, and the color as well. They have so many different colors. You can get them in a set of 4 or 8, and then we have some new cups. I mean, look at the colors. Now, these I actually don't own, which are so stinking cute. How cute are these little plates? Like, I'm obsessed. I got some knives because they seem to have really nice ones. This also comes, I think, in another color, I believe black, but look how satisfying. We also got this one, which is like this. The packaging and quality of this knife. Also got this fry deck thing that you can put in the corner of your pan. Meet your new cast iron grill press. What? Dude, Eric is going to flip. All right, that is pretty much my massive Our Place haul, which is insane. Honestly, you guys, you must get at least some of these pieces. I am obsessed with the actual pan. As you can tell right here, I can't wait to use this. I'm going to just rearrange and organize and declutter my cups and also plates so that everything fits nicely and we can get to cooking. This is my current situation. I need to declutter all of that up there as well as down here. I have some cups that I know for a fact I don't use, like these right here, you know? So we're going to get rid of those. Oh, by the way, these are the bowls I mentioned that I got from Our Place years ago, and I still use them and absolutely love these. They're truly the best bowls ever. Like, I love the shape, love the height and depth of them. Look who's home.
Pretty good knives, Our Place. Pretty good. Oh, a little bread knife? Pretty good. Pretty good.
That's what it is, the bread knife. I was like, oh yeah, it's like a ridge.
Serrated.
Oh, yeah,
This one's
that's
a chef
exactly.
knife inside like this. Right, I just finished organizing all of the drawers. I am obsessed with how this one turned out. I just feel like I can finally breathe. And then, of course, the plates and cups and mugs. This is how it turned out. I love how these look next to each other. Like, such a vibe. And then of course these right here, I'm missing a plate and a bowl that is currently in the dishwasher. And then I also decluttered this bottom part. So I have all the Tupperware and sprays and oils and cider and all. I also kind of organized this drawer right here. You know, looks looks still pretty cluttered, but organized for the most part and decluttered for the most part. And then this side I also decluttered and organized. I almost forgot to show you, but I also decluttered and organized our detergents here, which pretty satisfying if I do say so myself.
All right, so I'm going to start cooking arroz con pollo, which I haven't done in a long time here on YouTube. I have filmed my mom's seasoning for the chicken before here on YouTube, but I haven't done a Nat-A-Chef in a really long time. I think I haven't done one in this apartment, which is a very long time. And a lot of you guys have been asking for a Nat-A-Chef, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I already have the chicken here ready to be cut and then seasoned. I know this is such a small knife, but this is the one that we're gonna use because, oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, yeah, I should use a bigger knife, huh? Wow. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Here we have the chicken already cut. I'm going to use some garlic, 2 limes, oregano, and adobo. Oh my god. Guys, like... All right, the chicken is ready. I'm now going to heat up the pan. All right, so on my always pan, I'm going to be adding some avocado oil and then adding it actually fits so much in here. And then I'd like adding el juguito. Alright, so while it's cooking, I actually like adding a little bit of water. And then it's gonna start getting that rich color. So all done. I have my beautiful green glasses, as you can see. I also made some white rice with a side of avocado, and then here is the chicken. I'm going to be listing all of the ingredients in the description, but it's truly the easiest and quickest meal ever. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video in my kitchen, cleaning, organizing, rearranging, and showing you guys all of my new favorites from our place. I'm going to be linking everything in the description, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.